A leader is one who knows the way, shows the way, and goes the way. And that perfectly describes our beloved principal, Professor Mrs. Pushpa. Pushpa, ma'am. Ma'am, please forward and deliver welcome address.
A warm good morning to one and all gathered here. I thank and praise God for such a blessed day, for His abundance of grace to have an inaugural function today for our new batch of students. So we welcome all of the new batch students and the parents to Cross College of Nursing in this occasion. And also, there is the verse says in Bible, He has made everything beautiful in His time. So we believe that God made this beautiful day for our new buds in Cross College of Nursing. And many of you may think that, some of you may a little bit confused. Am I selected the correct profession for my children? நிறைய பேரண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஒரு சந்தேகம் இருக்கும். ஒருவேளை நான் என்னுடைய பிள்ளைக்கு சரியான ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷன் தான் நான் தேர்ந்தெடுத்திருக்கிறேனா இல்லையா என்று சொல்லி, நீங்கள் ரொம்ப ஒரு ஆசீர்வாதமான ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனை உங்கள் பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு தேர்ந்தெடுத்திருக்கிறீங்க. அதுவும் ஒரு ஆசீர்வதிக்கப்பட்ட ஒரு கல்லூரியில் உங்கள் பிள்ளைகள் படிப்பதில் நீங்கள் மிகவும் பெருமிதம் கொள்ள வேண்டும். இந்த நாளிலும் உங்களுடைய பிள்ளைகளை குறித்து நீங்கள் எந்த ஒரு கவலையும் பட வேண்டாம். உங்களுடைய பிள்ளைகளுடைய அத்தனை கல்விக்கு சம்பந்தமான அத்தனை காரியங்களும் நாங்கள் மிகவும் நேர்த்தியாக பார்த்து கொள்வோம். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ யூ நோ தட் த நர்ஸ், ஸோ தோஸ் ஹாவ் அ நர்சிங் ப்ரொஃபஷன், தோஸ் கம்ப்ளீட்டட் த நர்சிங் கோர்ஸ் கேன் travel the world around. So you can go through the entire world if you have a nursing degree. If you have completed BSc nursing, you are eligible and you have the capability to travel all around the world. So I hope this is the only one profession has more opening in all over the world. So I thank you all for selecting such a wonderful and blessed profession. And this occasion, in this outset, I would like to welcome Reverend Selva Jabaraj. So he is always with us and he is blessing with us. So we welcome you, sir. And now I request our chairman, sir, to give a token of gift. Thank you, sir. And also we miss our Budalingam Pillai sir. We hope he will be arriving soon. And next I would like to say a few words about our chairman sir. So he is the pillar of our college. So he work with us, he will motivate us. So he is very supportive for us in all the academic and non-academic activities. So we welcome you sir for this occasion. And also I would like to welcome our correspondent ma'am, Sheba ma'am. She is very kind-hearted and she is very smiling face, and all the time she is with us in all the important occasions. We welcome you ma'am. Next I would like to welcome our Mr. Jagadish Nyalam Samuga. Thank you sir. So he is a social worker in the Nyalam place. So he do his level best. Thank you so much, sir. So next I would like to welcome our Pastor Balan. So his blessing is always for us and he is with us in all the prayer activities. We welcome you, Pastor. Next I would like to welcome Geeta ma'am, Darisanangop. So ma'am is very encouraging for us in all the social activities. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Vains Nyanayapuram. So he is very supportive for us in the any time we approach for any kind of help. Thank you, sir. Next also we have a special people, Mr. Praveen Babu. So he is very supporting for us in all the guidance, especially for the student admission. He is very supportive for us. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence today. And also I would like to welcome Mrs. Birjin ma'am. Okay. So next and also Birjin ma'am varranga. Birjin ma'am, she used to help us by teaching community health nursing. In overall, she used to give a good guidance for us. Thank you, ma'am, for your presence today. Thank you, ma'am. So next, I would like to welcome Mrs. Shanti Shegar. So she is very supportive for us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your presence in this occasion. So I would like to request Sheba, ma'am, to give a token of gift. And also we have Mrs. Jagadish, ma'am. So kindly come forward, ma'am. We welcome on this special occasion. Thank you for being here. Thank you, ma'am. On this special occasion, I would like to welcome once again the parents for the new batch students. So you are so precious today. So you are the important people today, parents of the new batch students and all the new students. Okay, so we welcome you all on behalf of Cross College of Nursing. And also I would like to extend my special thanks to our teaching and non-teaching staffs. So you all are here and all this arrangement specially guided by our faculty members. So I would like to welcome all of them in this special occasion. And also we have many resource persons. So we know that apart from our all now, even though they are non-teaching faculties, but they all help in this program to make it success. So once again, I welcome all of them. Last but not by least, I welcome all my beloved students. So we have second year, third year and final year. So we are happy to say that we have a final year students this time. So their efforts and their hard work is so appreciated. So once again, I welcome all of you in this special function. May God bless all of you. Thank you so much.